What's up guys, this is a quick video on the new Crosstour P700 projector. So right, you can buy this from Amazon for $63.99 and this is what it looks like in the box. So there's not much information on it apart from on the side here, and that just tells you the model number is P700, lumens is 2000, resolution supported is 1920 by 1080, projector size is 32 to 176 inches, signal port is video, VGA, HDMI, USB, and the dimension is 198 length, width is 153 times by depth is 68.5 millimeters. So right, that's everything on the box. We'll have a look inside it now. So the first thing we've got is some contact details for Crosstour, so that if you have any issues or any problems you can get in touch with them directly. So the next things we've got is the user manual, and this is the projector itself. I'll just get it out of the bag, and this is what it looks like. So I'll just give you a quick look round it before I go through it. So right, we'll start from this side. The first thing we've got here is a headphone port, so you can connect your headphones directly to it if you want to listen to the sound. All you can do is connect an external speaker to it. So you can connect an external speaker like this, and this is a Bluetooth one, but this isn't actually Bluetooth. For this to work you'd have to actually use this audio lead here, and you just connect that straight into the headphone lead. And I'll give you an example of that after, when I do the demo. So right after that we've got the AV port, and that you can connect game consoles to it, you can connect a video player to it, and you can connect DVD players to it as well. And they do actually supply you with a AV cable, which is in the box, and I will show you that later. Next to that we've got the TF slot, which you connect a micro SD card to, so you can watch downloaded videos or downloaded music or pictures. Next to that we've got the HDMI port, and you can connect game consoles here again, and DVD players, or you can actually even connect a Amazon Fire Stick, and you can connect a AV adapter, which will allow you to connect iPads and iPhones to it as well. Next to that we've got the USB port, and you can connect a USB memory stick similar to this one here, and I've actually got some downloaded movies on here which I'll use for the demo, and you can have music on there and pictures as well, and you can view that through there. Next to that we've got a VGA port, and that's where you connect your laptop or your desktop to that. So right, we've got some cooling fans here as well. We've got some more cooling fans here. Here we've got a speaker for it, the power supply, and on the front of it we've got the actual lens, and here we've got the infrared for the remote control, which is in the box, and I will show you that later. So underneath here we've got a 1/4 inch thread, and you can connect that to a tripod, or you can actually get a bracket where you can mount it to the ceiling upside down, and it'll be out of the way, and it'll be quite good, that actually. So right on the front of it, or underneath, we've got another thing here as well. It's got a little screw here which is like a kickstand, and if you unscrew that, that will tilt it into a certain angle so you can view your footage or your movie on the wall. So right on the top of it we've got the focus for the focusing of the lens. Underneath that we've got the keystone, which flips the picture up and down, and I'll show you how that works after. So we've got some buttons here. We've got an on and off button here. We've got a return button. And we've got directional keys here with an OK button in the middle. Next to that we've got a menu button, and then we've got a source button. So right guys, that's everything on the box I can show you. The next thing is the leads and everything, and I'll show you that now. So in the box we've got a power supply lead. An AV cable, like I said, it'll connect to your game consoles, or else it'll connect to your video player or your DVD player. They supply you with a HDMI lead as well, which is really good. And finally they supply you with a remote control. So right guys, that's everything in the box. What I'll do now is I'll do you a quick demo. So right guys, this is going to be your demo. I've got it set up on the ladder. So right, I'm going to do it against this wall over here. So right, what I'll do is I'll turn it on first. So right, that's come on. Just bear with me, I'll just turn the light off. So what I'll do quickly is I'll focus it. So that's focused now. So right, the keystone, this is what the keystone was. You can see that it just tilts the picture up and down until you've got it into the right position. So depending on if you've mounted it to the ceiling or if you've got it mounted like I have, you just get the perfect spot you need for it. So right, this is the memory stick connected at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll start off from settings. So these are all your settings for your pictures. I'll just flip through them, I won't go through them. Your clock, your sound mode, your picture mode, your OSD language and factory restore. So right, that's all your menu system. So next we've got photos. I've got a few photos on mine. I'll just be careful because I don't want to show you all my photos. It's a picture of my dog. Here's another picture. So right, that's the pictures. I'll show you some music. So you get the idea, it's pretty good actually. So right, I'm going to come out of the music now and I'll show you the video features. So this is down to your video quality again, and you can make it full screen as well, and it actually does go full screen, not like the other projectors, and it's pretty good picture quality. So I'll give you a couple of examples of some movies. So like I said, it's down to your picture quality as well. This could have been better picture quality, but it's still alright. So I'll quickly show you another movie now. So this is some footage as well. I don't want to play too much sound just in case I get in trouble for any copyright infringements. This is just to give you an example of the picture quality. So right guys, that was your demo, and I think it's really good, and it's got a really good picture quality as well. Like I said before, if you do use a Amazon Fire Stick, it'll be a lot better because you have better quality videos. Or if you use a AV adapter, you can use your iPhone or your iPad to watch movies on as well, which will give you better quality ones. So the better quality downloads you've got, the better picture you'll have. I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.